Hi, this is JD. It's a beautiful day in North Carolina. I'm here with my Harley at the Days of Thunder barn. It's the barn that was used for shooting some scenes of that movie. And I've got my bike out here today just shooting a few pictures of it and just kind of talk through the build real quick, I guess. You know, one of the things I love about the Heritage is I love the fact that you got saddlebags and you got a windshield. Most of the time I keep those in a cabinet in my garage. They're there if I need them. But I ride her like this most of the time and just keep it lean. And she's really quick, she's really agile, and a lot of fun. This is a 2018 FLHCS Heritage Classic. It's the 115th anniversary edition, 114 cubic inch engine. That Milwaukee 8 engine is a lot of fun. It makes great torque right off the bottom, and I just absolutely love it. I went ahead and put a torque cam on it. We'll fire it up in a minute, let you hear how it sounds. She should still be pretty warm from the ride up here, so hopefully we can get some good sound. You know, one of the things I love about motorcycles is when you're putting one together, there's really no right way to do it. It's just kind of, you know, your way. So this is my way of doing this bike. I really loved the way Harley put the Milwaukee 8 together with the 114. It's kind of a blacked out package, but as you can see, they really married black and chrome pretty well. I really like the look of it, and I love the way it runs. So I wanted to carry that black and chrome theme throughout the bike from front to back and top to bottom. You know, some people are all black, they want to be all murdered out and no chrome. Some people are all chrome, they want no black. I just wanted to kind of mix the two together. So we got a lot of blacked out on this bike, but then there's kind of splashes of chrome to highlight it throughout. And I think it came together very well. I think for me, it's the right choice. So I went with edge cut theme for my levers, for my mirrors, for my brake lever, for my shift levers and shift linkage. They're also edge cut because it pulls that black and silver in there, and just in little flashes throughout the bike. I went ahead and put the black and chrome coil cover on there, and that merges everything in together. Today I'm just running with a Swingarm bag on there and the Handlebar roll bag. So as you can see, you know, the little chrome fender tips, and then just mostly it's a black bike, but there's just little splashes of chrome here and there. And then the Bassani True Dual straight cuts just kind of pull that little splashes of chrome together to kind of make a theme throughout the bike. So that was kind of my vision. We took the chrome dog bowl off the front. I kind of felt like it's a nice looking hub under there, so it's a nice wheel, and I think pulling that dog bowl off really cleaned up the front end. I love the look. It looks lighter, and I like the way it came together. So I just wanted to show it today, and this is how we pulled it together. I've kept the stock tires. The geometry of the bike works very well. It's an incredibly flickable Harley, and I'm just not going to mess with that geometry and put bigger tires and stuff on it. The bike is incredibly fun. The performance is fantastic. I went ahead and stage tuned it. I dropped the torque cam in it and put the tune on it, the Screaming Eagle tuner with the Smart Tune module. It works fantastic. Bike just runs like a beast. Looks like a dream. Sounds like a nightmare. I got the Bassani True Duals on there, the straight cuts. I do love the cholos, I really do, but the fishtails just really weren't my style visually, and but I did want the duals. I did want that sound, and you do get a lot of low-end torque with these pipes. There's a 2-inch louvered non-wrap baffles inside, so they're pretty tight. They restrict the airflow really well. She makes really good low-end torque. I'm pretty sure if I disrespected this bike, it could flip out from under me like a dirt bike. I don't know. Maybe so, maybe not. I'm not going to find out. For my riding style and the types of trips I make and the type of riding I do, it's more power than I could ever need. So, not a professional video guy. I don't have professional sound equipment, so I really don't know how this is going to sound. But we'll give it a shot. I don't know how that's going to come out. I'll probably try and chop out some of that part where I was fumbling with the camera trying to get it to sit up. But anyway, that's how she sounds. To pleat out some good looks for it, I put a 3 Mutts custom leather bib on the back. That one's custom made. And I also put the low profile lights on, put the low profile license plate, and I put Custom Dynamics LED lights all the way around. So anyway, that's my heritage, and that's my way of doing the bike. For me, I think it was the right decisions. It came together pretty well. So again, out here at the Days of Thunder Barn in Mooresville, North Carolina, and I hope you enjoy the video.